Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry Hybrid battery step by step. Disconnect the 12V negative terminal and remove the negative cable to prevent shorting. Wear safety gloves and safety glasses and work on a flat surface with the parking brake engaged. Keep a labeled container for bolts and sensors so reassembly matches original positions. If unsure, consult factory manual or a certified technician before proceeding. Gather the special tools: torque wrench, 10 mm socket, 14 mm socket, insulating gloves, and a multimeter for continuity checks. Disable hybrid system by removing service plug and waiting the manufacturer recommended time. Label each connector and take photos before disconnecting to preserve original routing. Use insulating covers on exposed terminals and avoid metal jewelry near high-voltage components. Work with a partner who can assist and call for help in an emergency. Remove the hybrid battery cover and unbolt the retaining brackets using the specified torque values. Carefully lift out the battery modules using a hoist or two people to manage weight and balance. Install the replacement battery, reconnect grounding straps, and torque bolts to factory specifications. Reconnect the service plug, the 12V battery, and verify no fault codes appear with the vehicle in accessory mode. Perform a road test and monitor system readiness. And
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.